Hey guys, welcome back to another very interesting video of VK. Vivo smartphone company. You guys might have heard of this name Vivo from a very long time. It is a Chinese smartphone maker which comes under the parent brand named BBK Electronics. BBK Electronics is the same brand which is the parent brand for Oppo, Vivo and OnePlus as well. So these three smartphone companies come under the same parent brand named BBK Electronics, which is a very large Chinese electronic manufacturing company. So Vivo has been in the trend for a very long time in the last couple of weeks or in the last 1 month. The reason behind this is Vivo has tipped so many different smartphones and so many different innovative technologies. Even the companies like Apple and Samsung have admired the Vivo's technological innovation. So Vivo just launched their Vivo V15 Pro, which is their mid-range smartphone which has a Snapdragon 675 SoC and it has a pop-up selfie camera. So the implementation that Vivo has taken in this smartphone is outstanding. We had seen this pop-up selfie camera in the Vivo Nex that was launched last year. Now they have taken this innovative technology from the flagship category of smartphones like the Vivo Nex and they have brought this innovation to the mid-range like the Vivo V15 Pro. The Vivo V15 Pro is retailing at around 28,000, which is considered to be the mid-range in the global smartphone market. And it has greatly innovative features like in-display fingerprint scanner and a pop-up selfie camera which is a 32 megapixel. And now a new information has leaked about Vivo online. That is, Vivo has a subsidiary brand called iQOO or IQOO. This brand iQOO is launching their new foldable phone. Now you guys might be thinking this foldable phone is not a new thing because Samsung already launched the Samsung Galaxy Fold, which is far better than any other smartphones in the competition. But one thing to note here is this iQOO has implemented the foldable technology in such a way that you will get complete real estate of the screen on both folded side and the expanded sides as well. So this is a very important thing to note down. In Samsung Galaxy Fold, we had seen a screen size when the phone is bent or when the phone is folded is very small, but when the screen is expanded, the screen size will be around 7.3 inches. But the implementation that iQOO has gone for is extremely admirable. So if that information was not enough to prove that Vivo has been making some really innovative smartphones over the last couple of years, there is another information that is coming in your way. Vivo has recently leaked or tipped a series of smartphone names that will be launching, or we can say that this is the Vivo product lineup chart for the next 3 quarters of 2019. There are not one, not two, but 14 different smartphones have been tipped under this trademark application, and the names of the smartphones are Vivo X31, X33, X35, X37, Vivo V17, V19, V21, V23, V25 and Vivo Y40, Y50, Y60, Y80 and Y90. So a total of 14 smartphones have been submitted under the trademark applications on February 20th to the European International Intellectual Property Office. So this suggests that these are the names of the smartphones Vivo is going to be releasing this year. Vivo accounted for more than 31% of the global smartphone shipments in the 4th quarter of 2018. And Vivo X21 was the first smartphone in India that was launched to have an in-display fingerprint scanner. And Vivo F9 Pro was the first smartphone in India to have the water drop style notch. And according to a press report, Vivo says that they have invested more than 4,000 crores for the Make in India initiative, and they have also opened their first ever R&D center in Hyderabad. And Oppo, the sister company of Vivo, has plans to set up an industrial park in Greater Noida, with the help of which the jobs in India will also be boosted and the prices of the smartphones that will be retailing in India will also get decreased because they will be manufactured in India itself. So this was about the Vivo smartphone innovation, guys. Now if you guys are thinking why we made a separate video on Vivo smartphone company, that is because Vivo has been ranked as the 4th best smartphone selling brand in India for the January and February of 2019. And if you guys like these kind of videos, please tell us in the comment section below. We'll be trying to make videos on the best smartphone selling brands and their innovation that they have done, because of which they'll be ranked as the best selling brands in the country. Vivo is the 4th best selling smartphone brand, and ranked in the 3rd position is Oppo, ranked in the 2nd position is Samsung, and of course in the top position is our very own Xiaomi. So this was just a quick analysis on how Vivo has been doing with their smartphone business and the innovation in the smartphone industry for the last couple of years. So one thing that I would like to say as a feedback to Vivo smartphone brand is they need to really work on their UI. Their UI looks really bad and it is called some Fun Touch OS because it is absolutely a copy of iOS. I would like to say, when you have such hardware innovation that is going on in your smartphone company, why not with the software? Just go with stock Android, or just develop a skin like an Oxygen OS which is very near to stock Android, which makes the hardware on your smartphone look and feel even more better. So this is the feedback that I wanted to give to Vivo smartphones. That's it for this video, guys. If you guys have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content ahead. Thank you for watching, guys.